We'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to see how we can help protect and grow your business. We understand that as a business owner, we're required to make decisions every day, and that the quality of our decisions determine the long-term success of our business. We also understand that it's important that we have access to the resources we need so that we can make informed decisions every time. When evaluating any service for your business, it's important that you know the service providers, their LegalShield, formerly Prepaid Legal Services, and Go Small Biz. We know that the value of the service, what it's going to do for you, and is it affordable are also important. As a business owner, you know that a lawsuit could devastate your business. However, we want to protect you and your business so that you don't ever have to worry about that again. Let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever had a dispute with a supplier, a landlord, customer, or employee? Have you ever had difficulty collecting money from a customer? Sign a contract or document you hadn't fully understood? Had questions about incorporating or legally protecting your business? Been concerned about the risk of being sued by a customer, a vendor, or employee? Wanted to market your business more effectively over the internet? Wanted to have a resource for any business or legal question? Wished you could afford to have an experienced lawyer or business consultant without having to worry about the fees involved? Had to hire or fire an employee? Been concerned about your business being compliant with government regulations? Well, let me ask you, if you were providing my company with professional services, what would you have to charge me to provide me with these types of services? Legal correspondence. I'd like you to write a letter for me when you felt it was in my best interest. Legal consultation. I'd like you to provide me with an 800 number that I can call you during normal business hours on as often as I'd like to ask you questions on business matters. Internet guidance. I'd like you to host a website for me. Provide me with a web builder so I can build my site and give me advice on how to create an internet presence. Debt collection. I'd like you to write collection letters on your law firm's letterhead to help me collect on the money that's owed me. And I don't want you to take a percentage. I want that included in my service. I'd like you to help me market my business more effectively. Give me advice that will help me increase my sales. Provide me with tax information. Review my contracts before I sign them and contracts I've already signed so I know where I stand. I want you to defend me if my business gets sued and advise me if I'm required to go to small claims court. Now, if you provided me with all these services on a monthly basis, what would you have to charge me? The figure we get is often $5,000 to $10,000. The reality is our service works like health insurance. You wouldn't want to pay the best doctors by the hour. None of us could afford that. You also wouldn't want to pay top attorneys and business consultants by the hour. And that's why we use the same business model as health insurance to provide you with access to all these resources for just $75 per month, plus a one-time $10 enrollment fee. Now, wouldn't you be able to make better decisions if you had access to all these resources for that one low monthly price, and as much as you used it, that price wouldn't go up? Wouldn't that provide you with peace of mind? Go Small Biz is your team of business consultants. The company is owned by NFL Hall of Fame quarterback turned entrepreneur, Mr. Fran Tarkenton. You may have seen Mr. Tarkenton on CNN or Fox Business News, as he is a contributor for both networks. LegalShield, formerly Prepaid Legal Services, provides our legal business support. Our service has stood the test of time. For over 40 years and 2 million times, they've helped customers with legal challenges. We know you qualify. You have less than 50 employees, you're a privately held company, and you're a for-profit business, so you qualify. Our service provides you on-call access to our network of law firms to advise you on any legal matter. What are your rights? What can you do? How can we help you? Wouldn't that be valuable information when you're making every business decision? Our law firms will also write letters and make phone calls when they feel it's in your best interest. We'll review contracts and documents so that you can operate your business with complete confidence. Basic contracts you haven't signed, executed contracts that you've already signed, and business documents so that you know where you stand. We'll be there in the event you require trial defense to provide you with 75 hours of our provider law firm's time. 15 hours for pretrial work, and 60 hours for actual trial time. We'll help you collect money that's owed to you by writing 10 initial debt collection letters each month from your provider law firm to help you collect the money that's owed you. We'll also provide designated consultation on certain legal issues such as complex tax issues, immigration matters, and import and export matters. For matters that are not provided at 100%, we'll provide a 25% discount off our law firm's standard hourly rate so that you never have to pay full price again. And we'll also provide reduced contingency fees. To help you grow your business, increase your sales, and operate more effectively, you have access to our team of business consultants. Submit questions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and get research answers within 2 business days. Our consultants have over 350 years of combined business experience to provide you with the best possible resources when you're making your business decisions. Through our service, you also have web-based resources to provide you with additional information to help you make those decisions. Information on taxes, accounting, sales and marketing, internet marketing, human resources, just to name a few. Your service also comes with the ability to create a basic 4-page website and have it hosted, all included in your service. You also have access to our Distance Learning Center, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, access to 10 business channels with numerous courses to help you and your staff expand your business knowledge from wherever you have internet access. What we do is take your business that looks like this and provide you with big business resources for just $75 a month. A network that protects you and helps you with your business, allowing you to have peace of mind. These are the services and resources we provide. A shield that protects you every day, every night, now and forever. Who besides yourself would you like to have access to your new service?